Alright guys, we're back. We are going to check out Archer, the damage that when he's caused to the car in his video. So we haven't posted the video just yet on the Learn to Drift in Stock AU. But we're going to inspect the damage first, just to give you a bit of insight on what probably happened. So we'll just make our way to it and we'll go through, we'll look it up on the hoist, check over what's happened to it. And it'll be fun, because it's quite pretty fun. Okay.
First off, praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no right, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
So first off the bat, we'll make our way to the front. He popped the front wheel before he popped any rear tyres that were very old. I think the sway bar link snapped on the back, so that's what we're going to check out underneath. But this little crease here is not factory. We make our way down to about here. Well,
what happened, Mr. Drifter?
What happened, Mr. Drifter? She was going to be a nice straight girl, but now she's... Well, we're going to see if we can pull out the dent, but we changed the boot before, so that's new. Oh, juicy! So, he's done a bit of mischief. It's this here's fairly up a bit. See what happens. Oh, the ants love this car too. Look at that. Oh. Right. Well, I don't think there's any damage on the front. Belt slap, that was Cody at the Bend warehouse. This tyre's survived somehow. I'm pretty sure that rim's got a crack in it. And it's not loose. It's got a crack from when we were out bush bashing. Yeah, front actually is okay, so we'll lift it up and go underneath and see what's wrong. Alright, well, this is the sway bar link. This actually went through the tyre somehow. Went into the tyre, stopped the wheel completely, put a hole in the sidewall, and like pulled the suspension down. And it was just like, what the heck's happened? We thought the ball joint like fell out, and no, it was this in the tyre. As it reversed out, just the whole car lifted back up. That's why there's another tyre on here just to get on the back of the trailer. Sway bar's not too bad. Just needs a new link rod, so that'll be fine. Like I said about this rim, so it's definitely got several cracks somehow, and it's fine. I think it's time for a bit of an upgrade for the wheels. Maybe some steerings. The amount of abuse this thing's going to get. Maybe putting Zenkais is not the best idea. So let's make our way back here. Gearbox mount seems okay. Exhaust. This is where it gets interesting. The exhaust. That's not exactly big anymore. And it's, well. There you go. The exhaust. The bumper's no good. Because the exhaust was pushed so far back, and while we were drifting it still, this is meant to be behind the bumper. It's melted because the heat stayed under here. Oh my gosh, that's funny. So it actually is not too bad. It looks like apart from the outside of the car, I mean an exhaust and a sway bar is the only damage that it's got. You've backed into the wall and that's the only damage. And the sway bar link, so I think that was slightly bent from us push bashing it. So the fact that it snapped, that's pretty understandable. But I know people familiar with Archerfield, Nico drop, just fully throwing it into that and just jumping. So fuel tank's fine. That just looks disgusting. And it, well, you almost blew the tyres. So this was. He would have popped them, but that's funny. It's actually not too bad. Oh, I think you did not too bad. So once that video drops for the Learn to Drift, oh, you'll have a crack up. I was personally feeling very sick, being someone who's never really drifted before, and we were just trying to do some basic figure eights, and I don't know where he was going. I almost threw up. So that'll be a funny one to watch because yeah. I haven't even seen the clips myself, but I swear I was gonna be green. It was terrible as that. Oh well, that's funny as. After some close inspection, the gearbox mount has retired. Yes. Yes, that is meant to be connected. So that's right, that's an easy fix. We've already done the engine mounts before, so that's pretty normal now. Actually quite cheap. Oh, this gearbox has been swapped out before. What a rig! This one's. See, the thing with some of these AUs, some of them are they've been just too flawed. Some of them, majority are good, but then there's some that are just like exceed above expectation, and this one is one of them. The amount of abuse we've already put this one through, and we've done nothing almost, apart from a welded diff and some spaces on the front. We haven't even put the surge tank in this car, so I'm impressed with this rig. Oh, obviously I don't think we've even done oil and filter on this car. We have to do the engine mounts, but that's it. I'm impressed. This car is a rig. This is one of the ones that's staying in the fleet for a long time, unless we wear it out more external. This was someone's pride and joy and carried their family around, and now we're just trashing out the track. Ready. Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. We've got Archer, obviously, that we just looked at. We're going to be upgrading it, be coilovers, all the steering stuff, so we have videos of coming of that. Keep an eye out for that. Thanks again guys, thank you for support. Give us a share, a like or something. Keep us going. We've got some big builds we want to do very soon, so keep it coming. We'll catch you soon.